currently 4:30, okay? So this is day 2 of skate practice. Girl, let's go.
Five, 6, 7, and 1, 2. I did it. Yes.
This is the fit. So I really like the back. But yeah, it's not that cold outside yet, so this is just it for now. Okay, let's go to class because I'm late. Okay, I'm back home and I'm just going to relax a little bit. I really want to finish my homework. I was doing my assignment in class and I want to finish it and submit it. I also have another assignment that I have to submit today. I also have a lot of cleaning to do, so like house cleaning. The big one that I have is laundry. I have mountains and mountains of loads of laundry. And I need to get that done because I need my uniform for tomorrow. So it's 2:32 and we have a lot to do. First things first, pockets. We gotta stuff our pocket.
Chapman alongside Wesley Reeves Jr. getting ready for kickoff. And of course,
Hi guys, this is Voice Over Me. So basically, I joined this social media production team. So being a member and a part of the team, what I do is anytime, if I'm available, of course, when there is a sports event or game in my school, I come in and get assigned a task to either assist with the social media production or videography side of the event. For this football game, I was assigned to be the cameraman for a wide shot point of view of the game to be seen on the jumbo screen outside for everyone. Whereas my partner here is more so on the tighter shots. So this actually was the last football game of the season for this semester, but I really enjoy doing this because this has been forcing me to get out of my comfort zone a whole lot actually. So I'll be back next semester with some more like behind the scenes content like this.
Turn it on.
Okay, so we just finished week 1 and we're packing up shop now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and head out and head back home because there's nothing really left for me to do, and I don't have to put the cameras up because it's gonna be a good minute until we need to bust those things out again. So, oh, my shoulders hurt, y'all. My shoulders, my back. Trying to find this don't mind my hair. We're trying to find the waterfall, but it looks like there's 2 other groups of people who are also looking for it too. We've been trying to find this waterfall like forever. I'm gonna take y'all with me next time when we're gonna find this water trail, okay? We're not gonna give up. I said water trail. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys next time we're gonna find the waterfall. So, but now we know where to look. Now we know to go on the bear trail. But this doesn't even look, no one would think that this is a trail behind here. Okay, don't look at that part, because that goes to that. But no one would think that. You know how many times we've been on this trail a good 3 times, maybe 4. Anyways, time to go home.